there. I'm opening a quick December fix that I don't need, but that I got for myself anyway. And I asked for casual clothes because I'm stuck at home, right? Sorry. Item 1. Some navy leggings. Ooh, look how cute. Those are cute. Item 2. Aha. Really soft gray sweater. Okay, here's the sweater and the leggings. I don't have my tripod. Leggings are just fine. They're leggings and they're comfortable. And so far I'm keeping everything. Item 3 is a, ooh, cute. Just kind of like a thin, really thin sweater, but it's super soft. Very cute. Item 3, the little sweater. Fits perfect, of course. So far, so good. Item 4 is, wow, it's like, I love this company. It's like the cutest kind of little asymmetrical, there's pockets, kind of cowl neck, super, super, super soft. I'm just never gonna leave the house, I guess, and wear these clothes every day. Here's the 4th item. This top is great, comfortable, fits perfect. It has this little cute cut and pockets, and it's super soft, and I'll wear it probably once a week. Last one is kind of a hooded top, stripes, just cute kind of vertical stripe down the back. Perfect. Okay, the last item, this cute little hoodie thing, perfect. I'll wear it all the time. And it's my first time I've had a new stylist in the whatever 5 years I've been getting fixes, and she was great too. So I'll miss my last one, but she's great. I'm also by myself again because my partner, who's been doing these videos with me for years, is 13. She's having none of this. Today I didn't even ask her. She's upstairs in her room by herself. Maybe someday she'll join me again for the videos, but I hope everyone's surviving the pandemic. I'm surviving by buying soft clothes and sitting in my basement. Here's to a happy 2021.